Out of the 108th Wing's nearly 1,100 airmen, less than 1% work as repair and reclamation crew chiefs.
We deal with flight controls, landing gear are our main aspects. We also break down wheels, tires, ship them out, whether it be to different locations or right here on home station.
What we were doing was we were putting on the final torque before it gets aired up and put on the jets. Grabbing the torque wrench, you have somebody on the opposite side holding it, making sure the bolt doesn't move, and you push down until it's at a certain pressure, and when it's at a certain pressure, it'll give you a clicking noise. We kind of get overlooked within the whole mission, and we do play like a key role in making sure that things, operate and move.
You can't take off without the wheels, you can't land without your landing gear, you can't control the flight of the aircraft without your flight controls. We fly these airplanes because of what we do.
Reporting from Joint Base McGuire-Dix Lakehurst, I'm Airman Maria Rella.